The pelvic organs are found within the pelvic cavity, or space. To see the organs within the pelvic space from the side, we will remove part of the pelvic bones, but leave important landmarks for reference. These landmarks include the front part of the hip bone, the pubic symphysis, and the sacrum, commonly called the backbone. The organs within the pelvic space include the bladder, where urine is stored before it is eliminated through the urethra, the rectum, where feces are stored before they are eliminated through the anus, and the uterus and vagina, along with the ovaries and fallopian tubes, make up the internal female reproductive organs. The uterus and vagina are found between the bladder and rectum. The uterus communicates with the vagina through the cervix, which is the lowest part of the uterus. The vagina is a hollow organ that can be separated into 3 different sections or compartments: anterior or front, posterior or back, and central or top. The pelvic organs are supported by the pelvic floor muscles and by connective tissue that attaches the uterus and vagina to the bony pelvis.